Hello everyone, I'm James Walt and I'm the executive chef and the culinary director for the Top Table Restaurant Group in Whistler, British Columbia. We have Araxi restaurant, Caminetto and Barrow. So not only am I the chef there, but I'm also a graduate of the Stratford Chefs School. And I'm gonna say I graduated probably well before you were even born, way back in 1991. I just wanted to reach out and congratulate you guys on graduating the Stratford Chefs School this year, 2021, especially this year, because I'm sure with all the challenges of COVID and what it's done to our industry and just probably how it made the school a little bit more difficult, you should be exceptionally proud of yourselves for going through this year, and I think you should get an extra little badge of honor for how hard you've had to work. It'll be great to get out there. Our industry is going to be back and stronger and better than ever once we're all through this and over this, and people are going to be rushing to get back to the restaurants and to try all the food coming out of your kitchens. You're going to be able to travel the world and to have amazing experiences and work everywhere and anywhere you want to. So look forward to that. You've chosen a great school. I can say that from experience. You should have a lot of confidence. You've learned a lot. You've done well. So take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you in the future. Bye now.